host on this exclusive edition of Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous.
So here we are at another hotel. Oh shit, this shit is nice. Check out the bathroom. We're at the, what's it called? Troubadour.
I don't know.
Look at the bathroom. That shower is fire.
Fire.
We might have to have some fun up in there.
It's fire.
Got a little decor.
They got glasses, not plastic cups.
Not
like
plastic.
paper cups.
Not plastic. They got a little sit down area. Check out the bed. Neesha got to get her jump on like always.
Man, sit your ass down.
I kind of like how the bed is like super low to the ground. That's
Yeah,
kind of
I
dope.
like it. I like that round.
What the view look like? Let's see what our view look like.
Look at our view.
Oh my God!
We got a nice little view. This is our view of downtown New Orleans.
That's where we were last. No, that's not.
So basically we're gonna do these as little shorts. So y'all can see the rooms that we be staying in, cause people be asking like where y'all be staying, probably thinking that we staying in Roach motels every day. But nah.
Gotta put the names in the gotta put the names so they know.
Oh, the hotel? I'll put it when we edit.
How do you use that right? I don't know how to use it.
How the bed feel? It feel Tempur-Pedic like?
Yeah.
Let's see what it feel like. Yeah, this bed gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Yeah. It's kind of small, but still pretty nice.
It's nice. It's by the Hilton. It's a Hilton hotel. Yeah. I don't know what it's called.
All right, we'll holla at y'all motherfuckers when we drop our vlog. Bitch!